Get ready to step into the future of gaming, because today we're talking about the most epic monitor I've ever laid eyes on. The Asus Rog Strix 34. This is not just a monitor, folks. It's an immersive experience that'll transport you straight to the heart of the action. With its massive 34-inch screen, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the game, thanks to its ultra-wide aspect ratio and stunning Qd OLED technology. But let's dive into what makes this monitor truly special. First up, we have the refresh rate, a whopping 175 Hz. That means you'll get silky smooth motion, no stuttering or lag to disrupt your gaming flow. And with a response time of just 0.03 milliseconds, you'll be able to spot even the quickest movements on screen. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the big deal about refresh rate? Well, let me tell you, it's not just about smooth motion. It's about creating an experience that feels truly visceral. Imagine yourself right in the middle of a fast-paced FPS game, with bullets whizzing past your character and explosions going off all around you. That's what this monitor delivers. But wait, there's more. The ROG Strix 34 also features something called VESA Display HDR 400 True Black Compliance. In plain English, that means it's capable of producing true blacks, which is essential for an immersive gaming experience. You'll get to see the full range of colors, from deep shadows to bright highlights, all with incredible accuracy. And then there's the color gamut, 99.3% DCI-P3, to be exact. That means you'll get a wider range of colors than you would on most monitors, making it perfect for photo and video editing. You'll be able to see every nuance, from the subtlest skin tones to the deepest shadows. But what really sets this monitor apart is its OLED Care Pro suite. This includes features like Neo Proximity Sensor, which uses advanced technology to detect when you're not actively using the monitor. When that happens, it switches to a black screen, reducing the risk of burn-in. That's right, with this feature, you can play games for hours on end without worrying about damaging your monitor. And let's not forget about the Gaming AI technology. Our OG Gaming AI is like having a personal gaming coach built right into the monitor. It uses AI-powered features to enhance your gaming experience, from advanced color calibration to AI-driven audio enhancements. But I think what really gets me excited about this monitor is its sleek design and versatility. With the Asus Display Widget Center application, you can easily access all of these features and adjust settings using a mouse. Plus, with VESA mounting options, you can place it anywhere in your gaming setup. So there you have it. The Asus ROG Strix 34 is an absolute beast of a monitor that's sure to take your gaming experience to new heights. Trust me when I say, this thing is a game changer. Don't miss out on the chance to upgrade your gaming station with one of the best monitors on the market. Check out the link below for the best price, and get ready to immerse yourself in an epic gaming experience.